Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy for nancybadillo.com, and on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook page to your Etsy shop. And this is a great strategy that you can use to increase your Etsy sales. So it allows your Facebook fans to browse through your Etsy shop without leaving Facebook, which is a very, very nice feature. It also will import your Etsy store within seconds to your Facebook page. And in addition to that, it's going to allow your business to grow in a whole new dimension. So if you already have a Facebook page dedicated to your Etsy shop, this is just an additional thing. It's just an additional optimization that you could do for your Facebook page to drive additional traffic and increase sales. And with the app, your visitors can browse your listing. They could share with friends. They could like any products that you have. They could tweet any products that you have. And they could also even share or pin to their Pinterest account. Another feature for this is you have to make sure that when you're adding this app, is a free app. You don't have to pay anything for it. You have to do it on a Facebook business page, like a fan page. It will not be able, you will not be able to add this app to a regular Facebook page. So you will have to create a Facebook business page, and then you'll be able to add it. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. I'm going to do it on my husband's account so you can kind of see how I did it. So he has a real estate Etsy shop on Etsy where he sells real estate marketing resources. And we're going to go ahead and add it to his fan page. This is his fan page here. So all you have to do is, if you type in right here, you're going to type in Etsy. You'll press enter. And right here in the menu bar, you're going to go to the right and you're going to click on apps. You're going to select the second one down. It says Etsy Item Store App for Pages. Press use now. And it's going to load up and it's going to ask you add to my page. You put yes. And right here, you will select the page because there's a lot of times you have multiple pages. He only has his one page. So you select the right page that you want it on. You press add a page tab. And what's going to happen is now you're going to see right here on your menu bar, you're going to see our Etsy store, which is a nice feature. And automatically, because we already had it installed, it's going to show his storefront. It's going to show the products that he currently have. If you want to buy, you click on buy, and this is how it looks. It looks like a little storefront. If you want to change the settings, you could click on change settings. This is where it will show you or ask you for your Etsy shop. All you want to do is put the name of your Etsy shop, which is this right here. You don't have to put the URL. You put that there, it will automatically sync. It's not going to ask you for a password or anything else. These are settings that you could do. You could do a header if you want to write a message. You could change how many items you want to showcase per page. And you could also remove certain products that you don't want to display on your Etsy storefront on Facebook. So it's a simple procedure, very basic to do. It takes you a few seconds to do. However, it will leave a lasting impression for people that follow your account. They will take you more serious. They will look at it and be like, wow, if you're someone like me, when I go to someone's page, the first thing I do is read about their about them page. I'll look at the review, and then I'll browse through other stuff. And this is one of the things that I will browse. So I just want to show you a quick way to add or link your Facebook page to your Etsy shop and promote your shop in a different way that will increase your sales, will increase your branding, and hopefully the most important thing, sales. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and like this page. If you have any, and please like this video, I'm sorry. If you have any questions about this tutorial